What's that? What's that?
He's gone silent.
Eee.
Is that Daddy's belly?
Daddy's belly. Look at his face.
Where's Daddy's belly?
Hey?
Where's Daddy's belly? Where's Daddy's belly, Oliver? Where is it? You come to find my belly? Oh, there's my belly. Good job.
Where's
well
belly?
done.
Where's Oliver's belly? Here's Oliver's belly. Look.
Yeah, that's
pull it up, can you?
Oh, that's your belly. There's your belly.
It's buttoned up, you can't do it.
Where's it gone?
Yeah.
Oliver, where's your head?
Can't pull it up, look.
Oliver, where's your head? Where's your head? Do you know? Do you remember? Yeah, that's Mummy's belly. Mummy's got a big belly.
That is on Winkle's donut. Yeah. Yeah. Oliver. Where's your belly? Where's your belly?
There's Daddy's belly. Good job. Oh, yeah.
Is Daddy's belly?
Has Daddy got a hairy belly? Where's your belly? Yeah, you can't pull it out because you've got things tucked in.
Yeah. You did it at the pool today.
What?
Come up to me. And you went. It was so funny.
Oh, be careful.
Come on in. You got up there on its own. Just slide down. Just get his face up. Hey? Hey? One.